Hey everybody, I just wanted to take a minute and go through the details of this job. Um, so it's pretty straightforward other than this flipper door right here. I'll do a separate video on that. Um, Other things to note are these cabinets up here. They stack on top of these ones. Um, Let me take the doors off and I'll show you that. All right, here we are with all the doors off. Um, so you can see that these stack on top of the lower unit. Um, with the light rail, uh, the panel will run down past the cabinet bottom, and the light rail will just butt right into those cabinets. Um, Other things to note, we have this fridge filler on this side. It runs all the way down to the ground. There's a piece of filler that is about 5 inches wide that you can cut it in half and use half of it to make an L to attach this piece to and run it down to the ground, and it'll make it look nice. That'll make Brandon happy. Um, there's also a piece that needs to be put back in here, and you can cut that, make it look nice. Um, there's a finished panel under there. Other than that, I think that's about it.